if you want to watch my video in Hindi, go to the video after 2-3 hours and go to settings, audio track, then click Hindi and it's done. For this edit, we need some cutout. I'm using PixArt. You can use whatever you want. So here I'm going to cut out the person. I'm going to effects and then adding a neon effect. Then the line and the fade is like 0 and it would be like black kind of thing. So after that we have to go to the picture again and add some border. So adding border, and the border would be like 2. Yeah, 2 would be enough. And then we have to go to the position. After position, make it wide and the vertical would be 0 and the horizontal would be 3. And then going to adjust, and we have to make the blur like 1 and or 7 oh no 20 17 and the opacity 81. So this is how we do, and then we have to export this image. After that we have to do the same thing to like how many people we want. I'm using 4 people, so I'm using the cutout, like I'm making a cutout for 4 people. So you can also make like that, however you want it to be, like how many people you want it to be. Now for the person we're gonna edit, we are gonna use different color. So I'm using purple color. You can use whatever color you want. So after using purple color, we have to go and do the same thing that we did with those people we did earlier. Now go to photos. Go to photos, not the videos. Okay, just go to photos and add this person and make the background red because it can be easily cut out. So I'm using red color. Then export. After exporting, we have to add it to the video. Okay, so here now we are going and adding it to the video. So now after adding it to the video, we have to make it smaller, make this smaller and add the background like same color. So I'm making it smaller. See, this is how I make it smaller. And after that we are gonna add people one by one. So this is the first person. After that I'll add another people as well. So here I'm adding 4 people, so total there are like 5 people. So these people I have added like this, and then we have to let me see what after going for a few seconds, like after going there, we have to split, and then it is kind of tricky, but if you get it right, then it would be good. Adding first keyframe to the first picture, and then after adding the second keyframe, I'm zooming it a little and making it to the right. So here, look, this is how it looks now. Now after that also I'm adding ease effect. So here I'm adding it ease effect, and then again next keyframe, I'm adding next keyframe to each picture, and then picture 1 and picture 2. So this picture and this picture, I'm adding it to the 2 pictures, and here I'm making it a little more zooming and then making it to left, and this second picture I'm making it to the right and zooming it a little. So the first clip would be zooming in and left, and also and then this also is going to the right side and making it a little zoom it a little. Oh my god, what am I saying? Oh yeah, that's how you do. Just watch how I'm doing it. Next keyframe, we are adding it to the 1 2 3 image, not the whole image, 1 2 3 image. So the first and next keyframe, I'm sliding it totally to the left so that it won't be visible, and next picture I'm zooming it a little and making it to the right, and third image I'm zooming in a little and then making it to the right, yeah. So zoom, and here it shouldn't be that visible because this should be highlighted, like the third picture should be more highlighted, so we have to make it like that. Okay, so just watch how I'm doing it. You can get it right. I took a little time to sort this, like to make it proper, and also you will also take time. So just do as how I am doing, and it is kind of tricky, but it's easy. after doing this, we have to export this clip, I mean the video. After that, we have to add this as a new project. After that, I'm adding a star clip, star video on the background, and this as a PIP. So I'm adding this as a PIP, as a layer. Okay, this is a PIP. This video we edited is a PIP, and we are adding a star on the background. So see, this is how it look now. After that, I'm adding a blank like a picture to fit the music. So here, I'm not doing anything actually, just checking. And then I'm zooming here on this PIP. I'm zooming in that like highlighted purple person. I'm zooming it a little. And also we have to add some transition, like the animation. So you can add whatever you want. Just add any animation you want to make it like kind of shaky zoom out effect. After doing that, zoom in the person, like highlighted that purple person. And then I'm gonna add like shake effect, but shake effect should be only where this person is coming, as in like this person came, right? So only there we are adding, and other place there is no shake effect, only this much. After that, I'm cutting it out, and I'll add when the next person comes. So here I'm cutting this out, and only here like this. So this is how we have to make it. And also we have to add other effect as well. So there also we are just adding it to where the person is coming. You will see it after some time. As I said earlier, here see, I'm zooming in this person, to see like this, just like this. That's okay. And then I'm adding some graph to make it smooth. And next effect would be like nod. No, I won't add nod effect. I'll change this. Nod effect is not. I have to change it. No way. Not nod effect. I don't want nod effect. What? Wait, I don't want nod effect. Change that effect, man. Yeah, change it. So bass effect. Yeah, bass effect. I'm adding bass effect here, and then also bass effect here wherever we have added the shake effect, we are adding bass effect there as well. But it's not the bass effect that is on the blur option, it's the bass effect that is the shake option. Now let's add the real human of that so now let's add the real human and then animation. So I'm adding bounce effect. I won't add these. I'll just add bounce effect. Where is bounce effect, man? Wait, what the hell? Bounce effect! Where is it? Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh, okay. So here we are fading out the that PIP and the that outer layer, and here this thing I'm gonna fade out so that it would go away, and then I'm adding the bounce effect. Yeah, see, now it's like this. Now it's kind of smooth, and then see, this is how it look now. Well, now let's export it, and then we have to again go for new project. Oh my god, how many projects? So here I'm adding a blank image on the photo, not the video, photo option, and I'm adding Fendi. So sorry, actually it is Fendi, Fendi, but I have added Fendi because I didn't know it is Fendi. I thought it's Fendi, so I've had that, and just go for purple color because I have added that outer layer purple. So here also I'm using purple color. You have to add whatever the outline it was so that it would look kind of good. So see, just check how I am exporting it, and then you have to go and do the same thing. So now we are going to add that edited video there as a new project, and then here we will add that text which we have exported. See, okay, we are adding that person again because we have to add this on the back of the person, right? So yeah, so this is how I did, and then we'll add this to the back of the person. We have to add that person on the top here. See, now again we have to duplicate this Fendi Fendi because we need it 2 times. Okay, here on Fendi, next again Fendi Fendi Fendi, we need 3 Fendi. So we have to add the next one. Where oh my god, I'm so slow. Again we are going to add some Fendi Fendi. Okay, see, so here again we are adding it to the, you know, below, a little below. Okay, good. And then we have to add the final Fendi. Where is final Fendi? So we have to add the final Fendi. Yeah, here the final Fendi. So here we will add like this. Okay, you got it right. So just watch how I am doing. I don't know why I'm recording these things, because I don't know whether this is helpful or not, but still I have to record because I get many comments, people asking me to record even though it is not at all clear, because I don't know how to explain. Adding some animations. So now let's edit the video. So here I'm not gonna show how I have edited the video, because this is your this is like your, what is it called, oh my god, this is your thing. Like I want it to be like a speed edit, so I'm using like a speed transition, and I have seen some people using soft transitions, like a little slow kinda. So you can just make it however you want it to be. Now I'm exporting that edit. After editing and exporting it, now let's combine the first and second part together. So see, I have added that first and second part, Fendi, and this edit is starting here. See, oh my god, that, okay. Okay, now the thing is we have to add from where the edit is starting, there we have to, you know, freeze the frame. We have to freeze the frame of this, from where we have starting the edit. Freeze the frame. Oh, actually this was my first edit. Then I thought like, oh my god, so bad transition, I have to change it. Then I changed it. Now let's freeze the frame here where the transition is starting. I'm freezing the frame and adding it to the PIP, and then after adding it there, then I'm cutting out the person because we need a transition, like, you know, slide up transition. I'm adding keyframe here and there, and then I'll slide it upwards, and then the edit will start. Just watch how I'm doing, and you also do the same way. See, adding first and second keyframe, and then making like slide up, slide. Oh my god, it's so slow. I have to make it first. Here. Okay, now it's fine. So yeah. Now I have to make this, you know, very bright. So I'm adding everything I can to make it look bright. Now let's add some effect. So I'm going to add some effect here. I'm going to add cam shake effect, and yeah, I'm adding cam shake effect because I want it to be like, you know, kind of moving. And then we have to do something that is called adding, I like making the cam shake to the whole object so that whole object would be like moving. Here I'm doing some stupid things. I'll change it later because I was very slow at that time, and I was thinking like, oh my god, it looks so bad. Then after a while I started to think, oh, I can just add it to the object. Here then I'm adding a zoom effect as well. Here you can see I have added the zoom effect as well. And here also I'm thinking, oh my god, this looks so bad, what will I do? And then later I thought, oh, I can just add it to this thing. And then here I'm adding black effect. Here I'm adding black effect where the video edit is there, and I'm adding the white effect where this person going up and down is there. So yeah, just watch how I'm doing and just make it like that if you want to edit like me. I'm adding keyframe here and here to make it kind of zoom out kind of thing. See, like this, to make it zoom out. So yeah. Now adding some coloring. I love dark kind of edit, so I'll make my video very very dark. You must have noticed it. I'm also adding this effect, which is kind of new, this number effect, and making the value kind of low, less. Thank you so much for watching, and result is in description. Bye bye.